How to turn on character count on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the character count on your iPhone. It's an option perfect if you want to keep your message short and sweet, especially for SMS limits or social media posts. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now here inside the app section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as messages. Now here you need to scroll again until you found the option labeled as character count, and once you have located it, just toggle it on and you are done. Now, whenever you are typing a regular text messages on SMS, you see a small number appearing in the corner showing you how many characters you have typed. But keep in mind that this feature only appears when you are sending SMS text, not iMessages. And that's it. That's how you can enable the character count on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.